The Health Data Nexus is available to anyone affiliated with a Canadian academic or research institution. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Single Sign-On. If you click on this button, you'll be able to log into the platform using your institutional login. I'm affiliated with the University of Toronto, so that's how I'll log in. It's my first time logging in with a new ID, so I'm prompted here to create a new Health Data Nexus account. I'll choose a username, input my first and last name, and an email address I want to associate with this account. Make sure it's an address where you have access to your email. I'm now prompted to go to my email address to register my account. If you haven't received an email, wait a few moments and make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Perfect. I'm now a registered user on the account. Next, we'll talk about credentialing and dataset access.